up, you guys? It's your girl Minnie, and I am back at it with another flipping video. If you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to get notified anytime I upload a new video, because you don't want to miss out on any of the good vibes that I have going on over here. And today I am doing another Doja Cat look with this Doja Cat BH Cosmetic palette. This is the look right here. I hope you guys can see it and receive it well. Yes, I was requested to do another look with this palette because I didn't use the liners last time, and I used another shadow from another palette. So everything on the eyelid is from the BH Doja Cat collab, and I used her brushes. Somebody asked me about the brushes. I couldn't remember what the brushes was given. Overall, I like the brushes. The brushes did what needed to be done, and I really didn't have no problems. This look took me all day because I had did another look that I was going for, insert pic. I didn't like it. I like this look way better. But I love the liners. I will explain everything later on in this video. Thank you to all the new subbies. I really do appreciate you guys subscribing. Thank you to all the oldies but goodies, because y'all still good over here. Thank you for staying tuned in and staying subscribed and messaging me and liking these videos that I'm posting. I really do appreciate it. So if you want to see how I got this look, then let's get right into this video. I'm gonna go into Feline, which is white, and put that in the inner corner. I feel like her brushes is too big for my eye. Just pack that on right here. Same brush, I'm gonna go into Mystic. Oh, I like that one. You like bring it around into a circle type. Then I'm gonna go into Mystery. And just pack that out on the inner corner. Outer corner. I don't know why I put it on the whole lid. I feel like this palette needs more. I feel like it needs more of a design. I'm gonna mix Mystic and Mystery to try to blend these two together. I'm gonna put Sunflower around the white to see if that gives it more of a pop. I'm gonna put glue on it first so it can stick better. I'm gonna have to clean it up. So now I'm just gonna put the black wing line for now because I do not know what else to do, but not all the way to the front, just right here. I really like this wing liner. It's very pigmented. So now that I have that, I'm gonna go into the white liner. The white liner is not as pigmented as my Fenty liner, but it's cool, it's cool, it's cool. I think I like it like this and not like this. What am I gonna do? Let me phone a friend, which is my boyfriend. Which one better? No, I gotta fix it because I like this side better. If the white one was more pigmented, I would like the liner too. I found out this is not a foundation brush. I found out this is a contour brush. So I'm just gonna blend this out some more. I already started and I forgot to press record, so. I feel like it'll be too big for this area, but let's see. Yeah, I don't want to use that. I'm gonna put Mystic and Mystery under the waterline. Mystic first. I put this mascara on. I like the mascara, but I don't like the applications. I got my Chestnut by MAC and line my lips. I think I'm gonna use this Doja Cat Berry lip gloss. Ooh, this might be. Oh, oh. This is absolute fire. Again with the stinging of the lips. It's kind of stinging my lips. Yeah, my lips are stinging from this lip gloss. I love it, but it's just stinging and I can't. But BH Cosmetics sent me another blush trio. This is in Feline and it has these 3 colors right here. I think I'm gonna use for the blush.
That lip gloss, does it have lip plumping stuff in it?
Mm-hmm.
That's why it's stinging.
Stupid.
The lip gloss has lip plumping in it. That's why it's stinging. So it's, I guess it's working. That's funny. I forgot it was lip plumping. But I'm gonna use this color right here. They sent me this saying that they forgot to give it to me in the PR package, and I'm like, I already had a blush trio. Then I'm gonna set my face. I'm gonna put black on the waterline. We'll put on the champagne highlighter. Yeah, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please share this video with your friends. Tell another friend to tell another friend to tell another friend. And yes, if you like this video, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. And until next time, peace.